A professional video editor costs you $200 a month for the software, or $200 a video if you hire one out. So I tested every free AI video tool I could find, and I found 4 where the AI does the editing for you, for $0. And the last one turns a single video into 10 ready-to-post clips, while you do nothing. These aren't manual editors. You're not cutting the clips yourself. You tell the AI what you want, and it does the work. I'll tell you exactly what the free plan gives you on each one, and where the export line is, so there are no surprises. Let's get into it. Starting at number 4, Veed.io. It runs entirely in your browser, and its AI handles the tedious stuff for you. It auto-generates captions, cleans up your audio, and can even translate your video into another language. All automatically. No timeline skills needed. Here's why it earns its spot. The free plan gives you those AI tools and browser-based editing at no cost, exporting up to 720 HD, enough for social clips and quick projects. And a clean, higher-resolution export without the badge is the one reason you'd ever step up to paid. Best for? Fast AI captions, audio cleanup, and browser editing with 0 install. Number 3, Descript. And this one genuinely changes how editing works. It transcribes your video into text, and then you edit the video by editing the words. Delete a sentence, and the footage for it disappears. Cut every in your whole video with one click. And it has an AI co-editor built in that can make edits for you when you ask. The free plan gives you around 60 minutes of media a month, a batch of AI credits to test everything, and one clean, watermark-free export every month. For anyone who talks on camera, this is the fastest edit you'll ever do. Best for talking head videos, podcasts, and cutting filler in seconds. Now, the top 2 are the ones that genuinely made me question why anyone pays an editor. And number 1 does an entire month of short-form content in one click. Stick with me for that. Number 2, Gling. This is the one built for anyone who talks to camera. You upload your raw, messy recording, and the AI watches the whole thing and automatically cuts out every silence, every and every bad take, handing you back a clean, finished timeline. The boring part of editing, done for you. The free plan lets you process around an hour of footage a month, and you can export the finished cut straight to an MP4 with captions, or send the timeline into DaVinci or Premiere if you want to polish it. It's the single most tedious part of editing, and Gling just does it while you grab coffee. Best for talking head creators who want the silences and mistakes gone automatically. And number 1, the one I told you to wait for, OpusClip. You give it one long video, a podcast, a stream, a talk, and its AI watches the whole thing, finds the best moments, and cuts them into 10 ready-to-post short clips. Automatically. It even reframes them vertically and adds animated captions for you. Here's what makes it number 1. The free plan gives you around 60 minutes of upload a month, full 1080 export, auto reframing, and AI captions. The entire turn one video into a month of shorts workflow, free. The only upgrade reason is removing the small watermark for a fully clean export. Honestly, watching it do an hour of clipping work in about a minute is a little wild. Best for turning one long video into a whole month of shorts, automatically. And that's the ranking. 4 free AI video tools that replace a $200 editor. Veed for browser AI editing. Descript for editing by text. Gling for automatically cutting your silences and mistakes. And OpusClip at number 1 for turning one video into a month of clips. All doing the work for you. Every link is in the description below. Now I want to hear from you. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, check out the next video. Best free AI tools in 2026, tested and ranked. It's the full lineup across every category. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips, tools, and tech discoveries. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep creating.